Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Leadminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. The exterior color is agate black and under the hood is a 2.5 liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps and an engine block heater. And over to the side we have 19-inch wheels, Hankook tires, as well as color matched mirror caps and handles. This 2023 Bronco also comes with remote start as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly featuring power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black cloth seating with adjustments looking on the side, as well as a lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our median hands-free options on the right, just above being a rearview mirror with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to our center console, you see options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions on this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.